Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin pumped from its lows of 95,600 to new highs of 100,100 and even briefly broke out of the downward trend line that had been keeping the price down. This shows clear signs of planned selling and market manipulation by market makers. As of now, Bitcoin is back inside the triangle pattern, making the breakout feel like a missed opportunity. The trend line meets 95,600 on the 9th, which could mark the bottom of the triangle and lead to a resolution to the upside. Until then, we have to wait it out and watch price action closely. The one-week Bitcoin liquidation heat map shows major hot pockets for longs at 95,000 and for shorts at 100,000, 100,800, and the zone from 102,500 to 103,800. Bitcoin ETF flows on the 6th saw an outflow of negative 140 million. While not a massive outflow, it still reflects overall market sentiment and how participants are positioning themselves. In the news, Bitcoin could reach new all-time highs in the first quarter of 2025, according to Grayscale's head of research. This comes despite slower than expected U.S. hiring data for January. Officials reported 143,000 new jobs, below the forecasted numbers. According to Pandal from Grayscale, this could reinforce expectations that the Federal Reserve will remain on hold for a while, but it is unlikely to result in major repricing. Meanwhile, Bitcoin and other digital assets are benefiting from policy-related tailwinds, such as stablecoin legislation, making progress. This could add further bullish momentum to the market. As long as equity markets remain broadly stable, Bitcoin could make new highs later this quarter. Crypto and stock markets reacted positively, as weaker labor data suggests the economy may not be as resilient to restrictive financial policies as previously thought. The CME FedWatch tool currently shows that markets are reducing expectations of a rate cut in March. As of February 7th, the probability of a 0.25% rate cut stood at just 8.5%, down from 14.5% before the jobs report was released. Join the Discord for real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. Click on the like button if you found value in this video and subscribe with notifications on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.